Hello and namaste everyone. I hope you are doing well. My name is Rajesh Patel and I am from Jai Ganesh Minerals based in Morbi, Gujarat, India. We specialize in high quality mineral clay products including ball clay, white clay, high plastic clay, semi-plastic clay, kaolin clay and many other processed clay. With over 21 years of experience in the ceramic industry, we are proud to be expert in ceramic raw materials and minerals. We are excited to announce our participation in Indian Ceramic Asia 2025 happening on 5, 6 and 7th March at the Helipad Exhibition Center, Gandhinagar. You can find us in hall number 2 and booth number B201. We warmly invite all of you to visit us at the event. We look forward to meeting you there and exploring how we can work together. Thank you. Have a great day.